In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate age using date of birth in Excel. This is a simple and useful formula that lets Excel calculate a person's age based on their date of birth and today's date. Once you enter it correctly, Excel will return the age in years, and it can update automatically as time passes. Start by clicking the empty cell where you want the age to appear. This is the cell where Excel will display the final result, so make sure you choose the correct spot before entering the formula. Next, type =DATEDIF open parenthesis on your keyboard. The DATEDIF function is used to calculate the difference between two dates. In this case, you are using it to find the number of full years between a birth date and the current date. After that, click the cell that contains the person's date of birth. This tells Excel which date it should use as the starting point for the calculation. It is important that this cell contains a valid date, or the formula may not return the correct result. Now type a comma. This separates the first part of the formula from the next one. Then type today, open and close parenthesis. The today function tells Excel to use the current date automatically. That means the age can stay up to date without needing to manually change the formula later. Type another comma after that. Again, this is just separating the parts of the formula so Excel can read it properly. Next, type $Y, quotation mark. The letter Y tells Excel that you want the result returned in years. This gives you the person's age as a whole number based on full years completed. After that, type the closing parenthesis to complete the formula. At this point, your full formula should calculate the difference between the date of birth and today's date in years. Finally, press Enter on your keyboard to see the calculated age appear in the selected cell. If the result does not look right, double-check that the date of birth cell is formatted as a date, and that the formula was typed exactly in the correct order. Even a small typing mistake can cause an error. That covers everything you need to know.